أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Blessed is he in whose hand is dominion, and he is over all things competent.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed, and he is the exalted in might, the forgiving.
الذي خلق سبع سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
And who created 7 heavens in layers. You do not see in the creation of the most merciful any inconsistency. So return your vision to the sky. Do you see any breaks?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Then return your vision twice again. Your vision will return to you humbled while it is fatigued.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير.
And we have certainly beautified the nearest heaven with stars, and have made from them what is thrown at the devils, and have prepared for them the punishment of the blaze.
وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير.
And for those who disbelieved in their Lord is the punishment of hell, and wretched is the destination.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور.
When they are thrown into it, they hear from it a dreadful inhaling while it boils up.
تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
It almost bursts with rage. Every time a company is thrown into it, its keepers ask them, "Did there not come to you a warner?"
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They will say, "Yes, a warner had come to us, but we denied and said, Allah has not sent down anything. You are not but in great error."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
And they will say, "If only we had been listening or reasoning, we would not be among the companions of the blaze."
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
And they will admit their sin, so it is alienation for the companions of the blaze.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Indeed, those who fear their Lord unseen will have forgiveness and great reward.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
And conceal your speech or publicize it. Indeed, he is knowing of that within the breast.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Does he who created not know, while he is the subtle, the acquainted?
والذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
It is he who made the earth tame for you. So walk among its slopes and eat of his provision, and to him is the resurrection.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not cause the earth to swallow you and suddenly it would sway?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Or do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not send against you a storm of stones? Then you would know how severe was my warning.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
And already had those before them denied, and how terrible was my reproach.
أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبض ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
Do they not see the birds above them with wings outspread and sometimes folded in? None holds them aloft except the most merciful. Indeed, he is of all things seeing.
أمن هذا الذي هو جند لكم ينصركم من دون الرحمن إن الكافرون إلا في غرور.
Or who is it that could be an army for you to aid you other than the most merciful? The disbelievers are not but in delusion.
أمن هذا الذي يرزقكم إن أمسك رزقه بل لجوا في عتو ونفور.
Or who is it that could provide for you if he withheld his provision? But they have persisted in insolence and aversion.
أفمن يمشي مكبا على وجهه أهدى أمن يمشي سويا على صراط مستقيم.
Then is one who walks fallen on his face better guided, or one who walks erect on a straight path?
هو الذي أنشأكم وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
Say, it is he who produced you and made for you hearing and vision and hearts. Little are you grateful.
قل هو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
Say, it is he who has multiplied you throughout the earth, and to him you will be gathered.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when is this promise if you should be truthful?
قل إنما العلم عند الله وإنما
knowledge of its time is only with Allah, and I am only a clear warner.
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون.
But when they see it approaching, the faces of those who disbelieve will be distressed, and it will be said, "This is that for which you used to call."
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم.
Say, have you considered whether Allah should cause me and those with me to perish or have mercy upon us? Who can protect the disbelievers from a painful punishment?
قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say, He is the most merciful. We have believed in Him, and upon Him we have relied. And you will come to know who it is that is in clear error.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say, have you considered if your water was to become sunken into the earth, then who could bring you flowing water?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الرحمن.
The most merciful.
علم القرآن.
Taught the Quran.
خلق الإنسان.
Created man.
علمه البيان.
Taught him eloquence.
الشمس والقمر بحسبان.
The sun and the moon move by precise calculation.
والنجم والشجر يسجدان.
And the stars and the trees prostrate.
والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان.
And the heaven he raised and imposed the balance.
ألا تطغوا في الميزان.
That you not transgress within the balance.
وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان.
And establish weight and justice and do not make deficient the balance.
والأرض وضعها للأنام.
And the earth he laid out for the creatures.
فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام.
In it are fruits and date palms with sheaths.
والحب ذو العصف والريحان.
And grain with husk and fragrant plants.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار.
He created man from sounding clay like pottery.
وخلق الجان من مارج من نار.
And he created the jinn from a smokeless flame of fire.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
sunrises and Lord of the two sunsets.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
مرج البحرين يلتقيان
He released the two seas meeting side by side.
بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان
Between them is a barrier, so neither of them transgresses.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان
From both of them emerge pearls and coral.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام
And to him belong the ships elevated in the sea like mountains.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
كل من عليها فان
Everyone upon it will perish.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام
And there will remain the face of your Lord, owner of majesty and honor.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن
Whoever is within the heavens and the earth asks him. Every day he is bringing about a matter.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
سنفرغ لكم أيها الثقلان
We will attend to you, O two heavy beings, humans and jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان
O company of jinn and mankind, if you are able to pass beyond the regions of the heavens and the earth, then pass. You will not pass except by authority from Allah.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران
There will be sent upon you a flame of fire and smoke, and you will not defend yourselves.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان
And when the heaven is split open and becomes rose-colored like oil,
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان.
Then on that day none will be asked about his sin among men or jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
The criminals will be known by their marks, and they will be seized by the forelocks and the feet.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون.
This is hell, which the criminals deny.
يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن.
They will go around between it and scalding water, heated to the utmost degree.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان.
But for he who has feared the standing before his Lord are two gardens.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Having spreading branches,
ذواتا أفنان.
then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما عينان تجريان.
In both of them are two flowing springs.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان.
In both of them are of every fruit, two kinds.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان.
Reclining on couches lined with brocade, and the fruit of the two gardens is near at hand.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
In them are women limiting their glances, untouched before them by man or jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان.
As if they were rubies and coral.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان.
Is the reward for good anything but good?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
ومن دونهما جنتان.
And below them both are two other gardens.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
مدهامتان.
Dark green in color.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما عينان نضاختان.
In both of them are two gushing springs.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان.
In both of them are fruit, date palms, and pomegranates.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
فيهن خيرات حسان.
In them are good and beautiful women.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
حور مقصورات في الخيام.
Fair ones reserved in pavilions.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
Untouched before them by man or jinn.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري حسان.
Reclining on green cushions and beautiful fine carpets.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny?
تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام.
Blessed is the name of your Lord, owner of majesty and honor.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا وقعت الواقعة.
When the event occurs,
ليس لوقعتها كاذبة.
there is at its occurrence no denial.
خافضة رافعة.
It will bring down some and raise up others.
إذا رجت الأرض رجا.
When the earth is shaken with convulsion,
وبست الجبال بسا.
then the mountains are broken down crumbling.
فكانت هباء منبثا.
And become dust dispersing.
وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة
and you become of three kinds.
فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة.
Then the companions of the right. What are the companions of the right?
وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة.
And the companions of the left. What are the companions of the left?
والسابقون السابقون.
And the forerunners,
أولئك المقربون.
those are the ones brought near to Allah
في جنات النعيم.
in the gardens of pleasure.
ثلة من الأولين.
A large company of the former peoples
وقليل من الآخرين.
and a few of the later peoples
على سرر موضونة.
on thrones woven with ornament,
متكئين عليها متقابلين.
reclining on them, facing each other.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون.
There will circulate among them young boys made eternal,
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين.
with vessels, pitchers, and a cup of wine from a flowing spring.
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون.
No headache will they have therefrom, nor will they be intoxicated.
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون.
And fruit of what they select,
ولحم طير مما يشتهون.
and the meat of fowl from whatever they desire.
وحور عين.
And for them are fair women with large, beautiful eyes,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون.
the likenesses of pearls well protected,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون.
as reward for what they used to do.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما.
They will not hear therein ill speech or commission of sin,
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما.
only a saying, peace, peace.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين.
The companions of the right. What are the companions of the right?
في سدر مخضود.
They will be among lote trees with thorns removed,
وطلح منضود.
and banana trees layered with fruit,
وظل ممدود.
and shade extended,
وماء مسكوب.
and water poured out,
وفاكهة كثيرة.
and fruit abundant and varied,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة.
neither limited to season nor forbidden,
وفرش مرفوعة.
and upon beds raised high.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء.
Indeed, we have produced the women of paradise in a new creation,
فجعلناهن أبكارا.
and
لأصحاب اليمين
For the companions of the right, who are
ثلة من الأولين
a company of the former peoples
وثلة من الآخرين
and a company of the later peoples.
وأصحاب الشمال ما أصحاب الشمال
And the companions of the left, what are the companions of the left?
في سموم وحميم
They will be in scorching fire and scalding water,
وظل من يحموم
and a shade of black smoke,
لا بارد ولا كريم
neither cool nor beneficial.
إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك مترفين
Indeed, they were before that, indulging in affluence,
وكانوا يصرون على الحنث العظيم
and they used to persist in the great violation.
وكانوا يقولون أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون
And they used to say, when we die and become dust and bones, are we indeed to be resurrected?
أو آباؤنا الأولون
And our forefathers as well?
قل إن الأولين والآخرين
Say, O Muhammad, indeed the former and the later peoples
لمجموعون إلى ميقات يوم معلوم
are to be gathered together for the appointment of a known day.
ثم إنكم أيها الضالون المكذبون
Then indeed you, O those astray, who are deniers,
لآكلون من شجر من زقوم
will be eating from trees of zakum,
فمالئون منها البطون
and filling with it your bellies,
فشاربون عليه من الحميم
and drinking on top of it from scalding water,
فشاربون شرب الهيم
and will drink as the drinking of thirsty camels.
هذا نزلهم يوم الدين
This is their accommodation on the day of recompense.
نحن خلقناكم فلولا تصدقون
We created you, so why do you not believe?
أفرأيتم ما تمنون
Have you seen that which you emit?
أأنتم تخلقونه أم نحن الخالقون
Is it you who creates it?
نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين
We have decreed death among you, and we are not to be outdone.
على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون
In that we will change your likenesses and produce you in that form which you do not know.
ولقد علمتم النشأة الأولى فلولا تذكرون
And you have already known the first creation, so will you not remember?
أفرأيتم ما تحرثون
And have you seen that seed which you sow?
أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون
Is it you who makes it grow, or are we the grower?
لو نشاء لجعلناه حطاما فظلتم تفكهون.
If we willed, we could make it debris, and you would remain in wonder.
إنا لمغرمون.
Saying, indeed we are now in debt.
بل نحن محرومون.
Rather, we have been deprived.
أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون.
And have you seen the water that you drink?
أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون.
Is it you who brought it down from the clouds, or is it we who bring it down?
لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون.
If we willed, we could make it bitter, so why are you not grateful?
أفرأيتم النار التي تورون.
And have you seen the fire that you ignite?
أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون.
Is it you who produced its tree, or are we the producer?
نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين.
We have made it a reminder and provision for the travelers.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So exalt the name of your Lord, the most great.
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم.
Then I swear by the setting of the stars.
وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم.
And indeed it is an oath, if you could know, most great.
إنه لقرآن كريم.
Indeed it is a noble Quran
في كتاب مكنون.
in a register well protected.
لا يمسه إلا المطهرون.
None touch it except the purified.
تنزيل من رب العالمين.
It is a revelation from the Lord of the worlds.
أفبهذا الحديث أنتم مدهنون.
Then is it to this statement that you are indifferent?
وتجعلون رزقكم أنكم تكذبون.
And make the thanks for your provision that you deny the provider?
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم.
Then why, when the soul at death reaches the throat,
وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون.
and you are at that time looking on,
ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون.
and we are nearer to him than you, but you do not see?
فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين.
Then why do you not, if you are not to be recompensed?
ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين.
Bring it back if you should be truthful.
فأما إن كان من المقربين.
And if he was of the ones brought near to Allah,
فروح وريحان وجنة نعيم.
And for him is rest in bounty in a garden of pleasure.
وأما إن كان من أصحاب اليمين
And if he was of the companions of the right,
فسلام لك من أصحاب اليمين
then the angels will say, peace for you, you are, from the companions of the right.
وأما إن كان من المكذبين الضالين
But if he was of the deniers who were astray,
فنزل من حميم
then for him is accommodation of scalding water
وتصلية جحيم
and burning in hellfire.
إن هذا لهو حق اليقين
Indeed, this is the true certainty.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم
So exalt the name of your Lord, the most great.